Welcome, today in front of me SONY Xperia XZ2, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings app and then tap on the sound settings. Here you'll see the ring and notification volume panel, and just to change the volume of your ringtone you can swipe this blue dot with your finger to the left or to the right side by this way. And also you can do it by the second way. Here on the right side of your device you get the volume buttons. Just press one from the volume button and use then the settings icon. Just tap there, and here you will see also the volume panels, and by the same way, by swipe this blue dot to the left or to the right side, you can adjust your ringtone volume. And then just to confirm the changes, tap here to done, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.